Like many model railroaders, I use DCC to control the trains on my layout. The experience with sound-equipped locomotives is especially immersive. To provide power to the layout, whether it's the DCC signal or DC power for the Tortoise switch machines and structure slides, I built this movable box out of plywood. It contains my NCE command station, a couple of DCC power breakers, and two 12 volts DC power supplies. I like to keep all the electronics contained in this box for a tidy appearance. However, the box can be easily disconnected and moved whenever needed. The DC power supplies each have their own dedicated switch, while the power breakers have a status LED and a reset button that can be pressed after a short occurs. I also mounted 3 buttons on the side of the box to control the layout lighting, which is provided by 3 independently controlled LED strips. I added a Masonite fascia to the front of the layout, painted it black, and installed the throttle panels and turnout switches. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.